guys, welcome back to the channel.
Hi.
Alright, so today we got to move the engine from here
Into there.
into the truck and then bring it all the way out front across the grass. So we're not gonna bother showing the hooking up the hoist and the motor, but maybe we'll get some of it, but it's not very interesting or exciting. So, but anyway, we'll be back in a little bit once we got it hooked up, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys, we're back. We moved the engine from all the way back in the shed to up front here, and let me tell you, that was hard. 0 out of 10, do not recommend. Don't do it the way that I did it. Right, baby?
Yeah.
Yeah, so now what we're going to do is it's a lot easier to move the truck, to just push the truck to the motor, to the engine. Okay, it's a lot easier to do that than it is to push the engine on the hoist. Let me show you. So I had to use a combination of this metal fence post here and my plywood just to move it from here to here.
From here.
And that was
over here.
That was a pain. So
yeah.
What we're gonna do now is we're gonna lift it and we're gonna push the truck to the engine and drop it in, and hopefully it'll go nice and smooth. Right, Aria?
Yeah.
But I doubt it, because I've had nothing but problems all day today. So hopefully it smooths out for us, right, baby?
Yeah, and I've been having bad luck today too.
All right. So anyway, guys, we'll be right back, and we're gonna try and struggle to get it in here. All right, guys, we're back. Arya's gonna start pumping the engine up. Just go ahead, start cranking, and then from there, probably not. I might have to do it. From there, we're just gonna push the truck in and see if it'll go. We just recently, today actually, got these lapel mics or lav mics, whatever you want to call them. It's really windy out here today, so hopefully it's not too much wind noise. We've got the little dead cats on them. Dead cats, but hopefully we'll do better with the audio than we have in the past. They weren't too expensive. They were like $100, and that's about it. And that's not that bad. Not if you're trying to make a video, right, baby?
Yeah.
All right, let's get a little bit of angle. All right, baby, I'll get it. You're putting your whole ass on it, huh? All right, watch out, I'll get it. Watch out, baby.
That's actually fun.
All right, there you go. Yeah, look at that. 6-liter, baby. It's a little rusty, but right now it's just literally a 100% stock drop in. All right, guys, we're back. Sorry about the interruption. As I was saying, this is just a stock, 100% stock drop in, no cam, no nothing. We're just gonna drop it in for now, and then later on in the future, when we can afford a cam and maybe an intake, some heads or something, we might do that. And then we eventually we want to turbo it, right, baby?
Yeah.
But right now, just gonna be a little stock drop in. So let's get that truck pushed ahead. And sorry about the wind, guys. It's actually really, really windy out here today in Florida, or this evening.
Yeah, look at my hair.
Yeah, it's blowing out everywhere. All right, baby, let's get this truck pulled forward or pushed. No, come here.
Oh.
Right there by the wheel. Yep, and we're just gonna roll the wheel. Hold on, back and forth till we go. There we go. Okay, hold on, I gotta turn it. Ugh. Okay, there we go. Hold on. A little more. There we go. Hold on, we gotta. There. Oh man, all right, hold on. We're a little off, so we gotta move it over a little bit. Let me get my pipe here. All right. Okay. All right. All right, guys, so this is how I've been moving it. Just little by little with this fence post. All right. I think I got to go up a little bit more.
That's big.
Now, I'm gonna go push from the back. Oh, Arya, grab that the big wood block from the back. Put it behind the wheel right here.
Behind?
Yep. Just jam it in there. All right, good job. All right, well, I'm gonna go pull the truck up. When I pull it, move that piece of wood and block the wheel again, okay? All right, go ahead. Over there. All right, ready? Oh, you got to put it behind the wheel when I move the truck up when you move it. Ready? Go. Put it now. All right. All right, good job. All right. All right, guys, we are quickly running out of light. So we're probably just gonna see what we can do here. Just for a couple minutes, I gotta move that motor mount bracket back and then maybe call it for the night. It's just late. Right, Arya?
Yeah.
We're getting hungry, right?
Yeah.
All right. We might have to cut that part of the frame out. Hopefully the dead cats work. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut that part of the back of the frame out there, and then we should be able to drop it in because I can't get it in now. The way it is, it's just blocked. But anyway, guys, it's getting too dark. All right, guys, it's getting too dark. It's late, and
Very windy.
very windy, and we're just gonna go inside. We're probably gonna end up doing this tomorrow. We do have some plans tomorrow, but we'll see what we do. Anyway, have a great night, and like, share, subscribe,
Bye.
and we'll see you on the next one.